Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix no valid QR code detected WhatsApp, which means if you want to link your WhatsApp to your WhatsApp web and you simply link a device and you scan for if you scan for a QR code and it is shown here no valid QR code detected, then how you can fix that? First of all, you have to simply close the WhatsApp and you have to simply open your PC and you have to simply open your browser there. And after opening your browser, you have to simply click on three dots, and which means you have to simply go to settings of your browser. In settings, you have to simply go for privacy and security, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on clear browsing data. After click on clear browsing data, which means you have to clear all of your data here. After clearing the data, the next step you have to do is you have to again open your WhatsApp and you have to simply press and hold your WhatsApp and you have to simply click on app info here. After clicking on app info, you have to simply, the first step you have to do is you have to simply force stop that app, and after that you have to click on storage and cache, and after clicking on storage and cache you have to simply clear the cache of your WhatsApp. After doing all the things, you have to simply check again whether the problem has solved or not. Hope you this will fix your problem. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.